Look at the colours coming out in here. Maybe we can make sort of a hill that sort of comes down sort of here. We're going to add some trees in a minute, and that'll sort of give us some. We'll come down to about here at the moment. Let's make a little bit of land that lives here. We can just do some trees that live here. We'll just do a nice little tree. So there's a big one here, look. There. Yeah, you can make any kind of hills you want, really. Coming in front of that one, but adding a bit more white, you can make the sort of make it out as snow. We'll have them coming around. I'm just going to tap them any sort of old way on, rather than doing sort of line. We'll do something like that. Lifting straight up. There we go, look at that. Got a bit of this and a bit of that. Now let's soften that a little bit. Just by going the other way there. Look at them dancing lights. Okay, now we'll do another one. I don't want to go right up to the top. I want to see these lights, so I'm going to just tap in this colour. Oh, it's changing already. Let's keep it low. Something like this. And I think that all these colours look really, really, really nice. I'm just going to pull straight down there. Hoping that we'll pick up a bit of that yellow. All the way back there. We don't know how far this water comes, but it's going to go somewhere like that. Right, let's just pull this down with a big brush now. I can come back and look at this. Instant water reflection. This is why I paint. This is why I paint. It's come all the way down in front of here. Oh, that's just set that back. Just sort of come across here. There's another sort of. Oh look, we're coming into that sort of blue now. It goes sort of this way now. Just blend that in. Bring that end down like that. Look at them colours though. That's just amazing. It lives there, come down this way. All different. Look, it's made a bit of a sort of a bit of a slope there. It'll come down like this. Go. We'll come back to this bit, but that's just sort of a rough sort of plane. And some of this out now. Just soften some of this up. There we go. Look at the colours. Absolutely stunning. Here. No mind. Love this painting. Can you please set this one aside for me? Love to buy it. Moustache Boy, it's yours. Thank you so much. That is amazing. Thank you. It's definitely put aside for you. That's amazing. And if you want me to do a tree in a particular place or something now, let me know. Thanks, Moustache Boy. Really appreciate the support. Or do you just want me to carry on as I'm going? we go. Of course we're going to put a few little highlights on here and there. Just peeking over the mountain there, well, below the mountain. We'll give them a little friend. I've actually tried, even knowing that, I've still tried taking it off with my fingers sometimes. Okay, there we go. Just want to add just a little bit more there. Gentle pull down. I think Bob Brenda like it. Just like that. It's like a grey sort of. There we go, just putting them highlights on there. Very darker towards the bottom. Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it? There we go. It's a very, very quick way to do it. If you're going to be doing this most nights like I am, you don't want to spend for ages cleaning out the brushes, but it does all take time, of course. You know. Well, this painting tonight is Moustache Boys. Awesome. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. There's a little bit of I don't want to touch this too much, but I'm just thinking a few little sparkles here and there in the water. So let's just tap into this dark colour. Literally just tapping the end of the knife on it. We're just going to put just a few little twigs coming out here, some things growing. Hopefully you can see them. Put one sort of over here, just a few little twigs growing here and there. A little cluster of some grassy things coming through there. So I'm going to do this down here. I'm going to do it down here. Do it very carefully. Bit more paint. There we go, we're done. All we need to do is name it, and that's it. Live on TikTok. Today's date is the 26th of the 10th, 23. This is painting 234. 234. Sent you in your Instagram message. Oh, well done. Thank you. Really happy, says Moustache Boy. Brilliant. Okay, so CM on the front. Here's my signature. And here's my name. And this one is called Golden. I'm double checking, you know, Golden Lights, that's it. Well, Moustache Boy, this one is yours. I shall keep that by for you, safe and sound. Yeah, do go and visit the website, visualfusions.co.uk, get yourself a painting if you want one. And the merch, right, let's put. That's going to be one that would look good in a lit place, or somewhere that the light would go on and off, I think, because it would change, it would just change. So pretty, thank you, it looks incredible, thank you. Nice addition, Moustache Boy, I'm jealous.